Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model TF5666-B in color code 048. It's a shiny transparent brown rose gold color frame. On the temples here, we have a gold color, temple metal, and at the temple tip, we have a Tom Ford logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the Tom Ford logo at the temple tip. The lenses are a blue block lens. They block out blue lights. And at the top left lens over here, we have a Tom Ford logo engraved. The style of the frame is full rim pilot. Up here, we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.